is there?
That is a walleye.
Is that a walleye?
Yeah, that's a walleye.
Do you want to eat him?
No, not particularly. But yeah, that's a walleye. Or a pickerel, if you want to call it that way.
Holy shit, look at his teeth. Oh, and he feels different. Right?
You there or what?
Is our hero.
It's not even that deep yet. Just ignore the geese.
Good catch, Jenny. Well caught.
Well, thank you.
All right, Henry.
And it's pretty shallow.
I knew I had a fish.
I am so sorry, Jenny. But yeah.
I wouldn't have
It's
called
pretty
that
shallow
branch.
out there. That's another thing.
Yeah, I didn't realize it's so shallow. I thought you were gonna end up.
I was also getting ready to go swim in the river.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna. Oh, that's a big catfish.
Yeah.
Ooh, baby.
Well, Jenny's catfish. You can.
Holy smokes.
This is a big one. Measure him. This could even be a freaking. Yeah, he's good. Yeah, he's breathing again.
Way to go, Henry.
Good for you for walking in.
I shaved it.
Yeah.
See the stuff I do. That's a pretty big catfish. Poor guy. There he goes.
Yeah, not having his mouth closed like that, eh?
Oh yeah.
This is too shallow here.
I'll just take it. He'll be fine. Catfish or lungfish.
Where do I put him?
Just put it there.
Somewhere a little bit deeper?
Oh, sure.
Just place him in the water and he'll move
He'll
himself
move. It's
out.
catfish or lungfish. They're a little bit different from other fish. These guys can survive on land. They're just in the mud.
And you'll just hang out, rest there, and then.
Just to be nice.
Well done, Henry.
Yes.
I saved the catfish's
You're
life.
my hero.
Well, there he goes. I saved the catfish's life today. Whoa!
Look,
Oh,
that's
it's
just
you,
me.
Okay, so here we go, guys. Here's a whole tangle of.
Hunter.
It's on a rock, but I don't know what. He wants it out of there. Maybe there's something under it.
rod. You probably cast a lot further with that big weight.
Oh, okay. That's a good catch.
Yeah.
I guess he likes golf balls.
I got it.
Ready? Keep your eye on the ball. Keep your arms straight.